Hello friends, welcome to Definition Hub. In this Google Sheet tutorial video, we will learn how to combine day, month and year from different columns to one column. Let's start. In this example, we have created a simple employee data, where date of birth is stored in 3 separate columns. Year in column E, month in column F, and day in column G. To make it a valid date of birth and date format, we need to combine data from these 3 columns to one column. To do this, we will use date function. This function can convert provided year, month, and day into a date. So let's go to the first row of date of birth column, which is H2, and type equals to date, bracket start, E2, comma, F2, comma, G2, bracket close, enter. You can see the data is combined in a valid date format. To apply the formula for rest of the rows, select the cell with formula and drag it till the last row. Thanks for watching this video.